How to create Roblox account. Creating a Roblox account is a straightforward process that opens up a vast world of gaming and creativity. Start by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to roblox.com. Upon reaching the site, you'll be greeted with a sign-up form. This form requires you to enter several pieces of information: your date of birth, a unique username that will identify you in the Roblox community, a strong password to ensure your account's security, and your gender. After filling out these details, click on Sign Up button to proceed. To avoid losing access to your account after signing up, Roblox will ask you to finish your account set by entering either your email address or phone number. Roblox will send a confirmation link to the email address you provided during sign-up. Locate this email in your inbox and click on the link contained within. This action confirms your account, securing it, and granting you full access to Roblox's extensive features, games, and community. With these steps completed, you're ready to dive into the endless possibilities that Roblox offers.